guys, welcome to my channel. So today we're doing a fall makeup inspired look. I think this is my first, pretty sure this is my first makeup tutorial for my channel. I really love fall. I'm missing it so bad. So I decided to do an orange fall inspired makeup look featuring Kim K's makeup palette. I'm really loving how it turned out. The only thing that would have elevated the look would be some lashes, either some falsies or some eyelash extensions. I didn't have any, so we just put on some mascara. But I still think the look came out pretty cute. I'm loving this lip today and just the focus on the eyes. Love it, love it, love it. I hope you guys liked it too. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for some more makeup videos and just to let me know what you think of today's look. All of the items that I used are going to be in the description bar for those of you that are interested. So if you want to see how we got today's fall inspired look, just keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.